Guys, 2025 Beast F-250 6.6 liter gasser truck. And the massive wheels, they still look small on it. They're 38 by 15.5 by 20, and they still look freaking tiny. That is crazy because it's such a big truck. Anywho, let me show you guys what we've done. Cat there, cat there. Wise inside the muffler into a single. There's the first resonator slash muffler, whatever you want to call it. It's a dual in, single out, 3-inch pipe. Then what we did is install the Carven R, part number CVER 3.0, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There was a resonator there that we took off and added the Carven in its place. And then the muffler, we took it off and replaced it with pipe. Left that baby resonator just for, it's a pain in the butt to take off anyways. So we usually just leave it. It doesn't really affect much. Then we did a custom half of the tailpipe to make this tip fit nice and clean out the back right there. As you guys can see, nice and clean. 3-inch inlet, 4-inch outlet, double walled black tip. Nice and clean. All right, there we go. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, here we go. 2025 F-250 Super Duty Gasser 6.6 liter. Go ahead with Carven R. You didn't want it loud. You want it smooth like that. Sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 103. Let it idle. This one has a big resonator. We took all that off, and it still has a big resonator on it. There still has one like that one right there on top. Again. Carven up. One more. What do you think, Mr. Carlos? Do you like the sound?
It sounds very good.
All right.
Love it.
He likes it. Go ahead and back it out. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Our address is 3560 Dickerson Pike. Got that beautiful X6 for this guy. He has a beautiful car. He's gonna take me for a ride in it. You gonna take me for a ride? Okay, cool. It's pushing 900 horsepower, guys. That's crazy. Back to this fat truck. Look at this thing. It is massive. The guy didn't want it too loud, so we put him that Carven R just to tame it and left the resonator on it for him. Think of that tone. Let me know in the comments. When I was telling you guys there's a baby resonator, it's got a baby resonator there, a big muffler, and that was the tailpipe on it that we took off. He's gonna drive it to the gravel lot. Look at that stance on this beast. I like it. I'm thinking about switching to Ford, guys. I don't know. I like how big this truck is. But I don't know. I don't know, is there a lot of modifications you can do to these trucks? So here we go, F-250, guys, with a Carven R. Mid resonator delete. We kept the big resonator for now. We might take it off later. And a dual tip out the back. Here we go. What a massive truck. I love it. I love the wheel setup on it. It's so clean. That's a good looking truck right there. I like it. I think it needs to be louder. What do you guys think? I think it needs to be a tad louder. I think we need to take that front resonator off. We'll see if he comes back for it.